Crash course on Netherlands. Historical landmarks and architecture. Step into the rich history of the Netherlands as we explore its iconic historical landmarks and architectural wonders. From fascinating stories that bring the past to life to top attractions that showcase the country's heritage, this crash course will take you on a journey through time, immersing you in the captivating historical and architectural treasures of the Netherlands. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Rijksmuseum and the Night Watch. The Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam is home to the famous painting, The Night Watch, by Rembrandt. This masterpiece tells the story of a civic guard and is considered one of the greatest works of art in Dutch history. 2. The Anne Frank House. Located in Amsterdam, the Anne Frank House is where Anne Frank and her family hid from the Nazis during World War II. The museum offers a poignant glimpse into the life of Anne Frank and the experiences of those in hiding. 3. The Dom Tower of Utrecht. The Dom Tower in Utrecht is the tallest church tower in the Netherlands. Climbing to the top provides panoramic views of the city and offers a glimpse into the country's medieval past. Top 12 attractions of historical landmarks and architecture. 1. Amsterdam Canal Ring. Explore the UNESCO-listed Amsterdam Canal Ring, a network of picturesque canals lined with stunning historic houses and buildings, including the iconic leaning houses of the Prinsengracht. 2. Keukenhof Gardens. Visit the Keukenhof Gardens, known as the Garden of Europe, where you can admire a spectacular display of flowers and enjoy the beauty of meticulously designed landscapes. 3. The Royal Palace of Amsterdam. Discover the grandeur of the Royal Palace of Amsterdam, a magnificent 17th-century building that serves as a ceremonial palace and is open to the public. 4. The Peace Palace. Located in The Hague, the Peace Palace is an architectural gem and the home of the International Court of Justice. Guided tours provide insights into the building's history and international law. 5. Delft's Historic Center. Step into the charming city of Delft, known for its iconic blue and white pottery and well-preserved historic center. Don't miss the Oude Kerk, Old Church, and the New Kerk, New Church. 6. Rotterdam's Cube Houses. Marvel at the unique cube houses of Rotterdam, designed by architect Piet Blom. These tilted, cube-shaped houses are a striking example of modern architecture. 7. The Dom Cathedral in Utrecht. Visit the Dom Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece in Utrecht, and climb the Dom Tower for breathtaking views of the city. 8. Maastricht's Basilica of St. Servatius. Explore the Basilica of St. Servatius, a Romanesque church in Maastricht, housing beautiful religious artifacts and offering a glimpse into the city's religious heritage. 9. The Binnenhof. Wander through The Hague's Binnenhof, a historic complex that houses the Dutch Parliament and various government buildings. Admire the medieval Ridderzaal, Hall of Knights, and the Hofvijver, Court Pond. 10. Zaanschans. Step back in time at Zaanschans, an open-air museum near Amsterdam, where you can explore traditional Dutch windmills, wooden houses, and artisanal workshops. 11. The Domkerk in Utrecht. Visit the impressive Domkerk, Dom Church, in Utrecht, a stunning Gothic cathedral that dates back to the 13th century. Its rich history and beautiful architecture will captivate you. 12. The Grote Kerk in The Hague. Marvel at the Grote Kerk, Great Church, in The Hague, a majestic medieval church known for its towering spire and intricate stained glass windows. Summarizing this writing, the Netherlands is a treasure trove of historical landmarks and architectural marvels. From the iconic canals of Amsterdam to the historical sites of The Hague and the charming streets of Delft, each attraction showcases the country's rich heritage. Immerse yourself in the stories of the past as you explore the top attractions of historical landmarks and architecture in the Netherlands. Now, let's end this crash course on the Netherlands with a poem. In the Netherlands, history unfolds. Architectural wonders, stories of old. Amsterdam's canals, a UNESCO delight. Keukenhof Gardens, a colorful sight. Royal Palace's grandeur, a regal embrace. Peace Palace's significance, justice's space. Delft's pottery, a blue and white charm. Rotterdam's cube houses, unique and warm. Utrecht's Dom Tower, a climb to the sky. Maastricht's Basilica, religious sanctity. The Hague's Binnenhof, a political sphere. Zaanstre's windmills, heritage so dear. From Domkerk to Groot Kerk's Grace. The Netherlands history we embrace. Through historical landmarks and architecture grand. Discover the country's heritage, hand in hand. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.